Hi there, my name's Chris, and I'm a software engineer at Monada, the company behind Wing. One of the most important parts of being an effective programmer is preventing bugs. That's why when we set out to design a language that makes it easier to build cloud applications, surfacing bugs as early as possible was at the top of our minds, since a bug caught at compile time means a bug prevented in production. Let's take a look at some examples. If you use a variable you haven't defined, that's a compile time error. If you create a struct where a field has the wrong type, that's an error too. If you try using a string method when you haven't explicitly converted a JSON value into a string, that's an error as well. All of these errors are highlighted in VS Code with the Wing extension and can be viewed as detailed messages in your terminal. Wing also has some new kinds of errors that are specific to managing your infrastructure code and runtime code together. For example, here's a Wing variable that we've decided to make reassignable using the var keyword. By default, all values we create at the top level are part of our infrastructure, which is called preflight. We can use it for defining cloud resources in our app like so. But if we define some code that can only run on the cloud using the inflight keyword, then the Wing compiler will give you an error saying that you can't reference the variable inflight because it's possible multiple inflight functions could be trying to access or mutate the variable's value. If you want to share and mutate state across different inflight functions, you'd need to use a cloud resource like a bucket, queue, or table. Some of these error messages can be unfamiliar at first, but once you pick up the basic concepts, you'll be creating apps with Wing faster than ever. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, or just want to geek out, come join us in our community Slack. Cheers!